Hi, my name is Chris. I am from Boldberg Games. In this movie I will show you how to make a melee fighting NPC. I will use a few tools to make that. Those tools will be Unity Engine, Spriter Pro animation software, free animation assets from CraftPix website, and a Unity package I prepared. It is named Scripting Animation Examples for Spriter Pro. I will show you the workflow with those tools. Melee fighting NPC will work with animations and artificial intelligence. NPC will make those behaviors: patrolling, chasing, attacking, being alert, get damage and die. Firstly, let's import the package to Unity project. In this video I used Unity 2019.4.39. Workflow is described in the documentation. I will use it in this video. So okay, I have the Unity engine opened. So let's go to assets, import package, custom package. It's right here. Okay. So besides the assets, the package imports project settings with physics, physics 2D, inputs, tags and layers. So here it is, and here are the project settings. Okay, import. Yeah, so once again we're gonna use a asset from CraftPix. Here I will show it. Okay. Okay, it's a knight character with animations. Right here I've got a edited Spriter project with it. I've added here some stuff that we're gonna use. Okay, we've got the package, so let's go to the document. Okay. So we're gonna use the chapter 1 and chapter 2. The first step to import the melee character is to check if he has all required animations. So let's look at it here. We've got all of those animations right in here. So we're good with that. Be sure that inside the attack animation you have an animated collision box. It will be used by enemy weapon CS script. So let's look once again. Here's the attack animation. In the original CraftPix asset we don't have a collision box. We have to make it with this tool right here to create a box. Yeah, we can just press Alt and the middle button and just create. Okay, create it here. Okay, we confirm it with the middle button also. So we can animate this box in certain keyframes we want. So I will just delete this one. So here's the attack, and in this keyframe I'm putting the box, and it's animated through like these ones, and it is just disappearing. So it's good enough for us. Okay, we got it. So in the third step, we're gonna copy our project, Spriter project with that knight to the Unity project. So it's this one. So we will go to this Spriter Profiles folder right here, and we'll just drag and drop it here. It's right there. Here's a entity prefab that was generated from the SCML file here. So it is important, this prefab is important. So let's go back to the document. Let's open a scene. We will go with this one. We have to drag and drop AI holder template prefab on the scene. So we will go right here. This is the player character. Here's the prefab. Okay. From the folder prefab, drag the custom character temp prefab to the inside of the previously dragged instance of the AI holder template. Okay. Custom character template prefab. Okay. So here we have to drag it, and we have it right here. Okay. Step 7. Expand the custom character and find the SP holder game object. Okay, we're expanding SP holder rights here. We will drag the entity prefab with the male character to the inside of the SP holder. Entity prefab is the prefab of our knight. We've got it right here. Okay, let's just drag it to SP holder. Okay, we've got it in the game. So we can see it's moving right here. So it's a little too big for me and the other characters, so I will go to SP holder and just edit these scales. Let's go with 0.5. Yeah, I think it's good. Good size. Oh, sorry. Now I will just move it by this. Another important thing is to position correctly ground check in ceiling check. So it should be below the feet right here. This ceiling check, it's good enough right here on the head. So if you want to know more about this, just read these points 10 and 11. It explains why the ground check is important to position this way. So next we're gonna go to NPC custom character script and NPC anim custom character script. So here we have some variables with the animations names, and we will have to adjust those names here so they will match those strings here. So let's do that. Let's do just that. We can find this script right here, NPC customer character, NPC anim. I will just comment this out. Okay. Attack. Okay, we've got it all. So just save the file. Adjust the float values inside NPC custom character to make them match your custom character. Some of them are distance at which the enemy will stop chasing the player, walk and run speed, attack distance, minimal distance at which the enemy will trigger an attack animation, max and current amount of health points. Regards behavioral variation, for melee character you have two options: guard routine and patrol routine. To pick one of them, go to the NPC custom melee character script. Inside I added a preprocessor directive. So let's look inside of that. So this Unity package uses a artificial intelligence concept called finite state machines, and in here we have some constructors for artificial intelligence states. Right here we are constructing a patrol state and transitions from it to other states. So here is those other states. There are constructors for chase state, alert state, got hit state, and dead state. In the chase state, the character is chasing the player and tries to attack him. In the alert state, the character is like shouting on the player, and after a while it attacks him by going into the chase state. And in this state the player just gets a hit and animation, and also similar in the dead state. So here's the preprocessor. Like in this way, the character will use this routine of patrol state. By commenting this line out, we would enable the guard state here and those two transitions right there. So I will leave it like this maybe, but let's look how it behaves. So after commenting that out, this is inactive, this is enabled. Similar transitions in here were changed. So I will just leave it without the comment. So the patrol routine is active. Okay, I will just save it. Okay. So what's next? If you open the AI holder template, you will see some child game objects. Those are guard point, guard direction, left border, right border, waypoints, custom. Okay, this is not the child object, but those here are. You can read more about them and adjust them to your needs. So the last step will be adjusting the box collider and the circle collider. It will be right here, this game object, box collider here and circle collider here. Let's start with the circle. Okay, I think it will be good enough. So once again, remember about positioning properly those ground check object and the ceiling check object. It's important for some movement and flipping methods. Now we're done with the custom character. See how it feels in the game. Press play and test it. Okay, let's do it. The character is patrolling right now. We can go to the scene view. I will kill those this time. So here's the whole AI holder template. Here he is alerted right now, but he does not attack because he cannot chase the player when he is outside of the AI border. So we can just change the positions position of the border this way, and he should, yeah, he's in the chase state, but his attack distance is too big, so let's tweak it a little. Let's go here. Here it is, attack distance. Let's go with 5.5. Okay, save. Okay, let's try it again. I'm just gonna kill those guys. Okay, maybe I will heal this. Okay, yeah, I've got the full health, and let's copy this situation from previous time. I'm gonna move the AI border. He will gonna chase me. Yeah, he's attacking me. I will just run away. And he's back patrolling. And he is attacking again. Okay, and let's look on the waypoints. So he's wandering like this. Oh, the waypoints are here. You can just move them around and he will adjust the patrolling behavior. If he would have the guard state instead of the patrol, he would use the guard point. It's here, and the direction, guard direction, this would define in which direction he will look after he stands in the guard point. So for now, let's try to tweak the waypoints. So maybe let's give one here, second here, third in the bush, for, yeah, maybe here, fifth here, and the sixth here beyond the bush. So I will move away, so he will go back to the patrolling. Okay, and now let's look. Okay, he is in the waypoint 1, waypoint 2, yeah, it looks fine. And now it goes back to the waypoint 1. Yeah, looks fine, it works properly. So thank you for your attention. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to implement a custom ranged character. So see you soon.